Well, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1, and we are going to ask you some questions and you got to answer briefly. Let's start.
Okay, sir.
How often do you meet your family?
I usually do meet my family every day, and I love to meet my family uh, mm, every day.
Good. Carry on. Okay, now first thing is whenever they use WH questions, how and all that, then you don't need to say I do. How often do you meet your family means frequency. You say, how often do you meet your family? Every day, in fact, because I live with my family and I spend all the time with my family together, especially on weekends, all the family members are home, so we enjoy time together. But otherwise, I see all my family members every day. To answer your question, yes, of course, I live with my family like this. Okay, let's go on.
Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Yes, I want to live with my family with my family in future. As when I come back from my dream country, I love to with my family.
I love to be with my
love to
family.
be with my
So
family.
just answer should be organized and there should be variety of words. In 4-5 sentences you can just say. And part 1 is a good opportunity to impress the examiner.
Okay.
Okay, one more.
Are you close to your family members?
Yes, I'm very close to my family member, as I live with my family every day, and we sit together, discuss different things together, and
Okay, just
in-
can just add one sentence conclusion at the end. For example, are you close to your family members? Yes, I'm very close to my family members. We all sleep in the same room, AC. Because of AC, right? And I enjoy that togetherness. Yeah, we all people are in same room day and night. So I am very close to my family, very close to my younger brother. We sleep together, okay, something like that,
Okay.
right? So just try to speak, enjoy 5-6 sentences and all that, right? Thank you.